for years, I've always seen a lot of different people, different companies that utilize a GPS system, and I never saw the value in it until I actually moved forward with it. And now I don't see how I ever operated without it.
We needed to have the odometer readings flow into our Aspire equipment manager so that we could properly manage all the fleet timing as far as the oil changes and the equipment maintenance that we were trying to do. We had a manual process before, and that was really causing us problems.
The biggest reason was to gain visibility into our crews and help them with routing and reducing drive time, idle time.
We've got the geofence location, the route replay, we've got the equipment location search, and even that yellow triangle alert that pops up in the scheduler.
You don't know if they're speeding, but now we do. You don't know if they're slamming brakes hard, but now we do.
There's return on investment, reducing your insurance costs, reducing your maintenance. You guys did a really good job with the integration and bringing all of that together.
In the wintertime, our snow commander will be able to see all of our zones. So we'll be able to see all of our plow trucks, all of our loaders, all of our salt trucks, all of our skid steers. And I think it's going to be a huge help in the wintertime.
I would recommend the Azuga GPS system because of its integrated capabilities already with Aspire. And you don't have this second system you have to work with. And that's really what makes it, in my opinion, a really good partnership.